My name is Eleni Petru. I founded Artistic Dimensions Arts and Movement Center as I wanted to create a space where students can have experience in drama, in dance, in music, singing, and also have the opportunity to combine all these things together. We've decided to do our first art wave this summer 2018.
Obviously, we're going to be working towards a performance, so that will be the main focus. The reason why theatre is so important, all about presenting ourselves in life. How do we socialise? How do we come across at work? How do we come across with our friends? So the more that we learn about the tools that we've been given, which is our body and voice, the more we can learn about ourselves.
You need the movement, you need your whole body to feel the emotions, to be able to convey that and portray that role or convey the emotion to your audience. We'll be doing some basic acrobatic skills, modern jazz, hip-hop, overcome our fears and learn to hang upside down. So their posture, theatre helps with speaking clearly, loudly, pronunciation, not being ashamed, and just being aware and in touch with your body, with your emotions, and being the best self you can be.
So it will be a month full of skill learning, technique learning, opening, presenting, and feeling good about ourselves. We're gonna bond and we're gonna have a great final show.